Hello gamers, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to disable compatibility mode on Steam. It's very simple. Let's dive into it. Okay, so first of all, you're going to search for your Steam account. Let's say on the search bar, then Steam, another account, Steam app. So from here, you're not going to open it, but you're going to go to file, open file location, like so. And still, this is not the file that we want, but still, we're gonna right click and still go to the same option, open file location. There we go. So it will open this folder, and then we just go to this is the Steam file that we actually need, this application, and then we right click it and we go to properties and compatibility mode, and then you turn it off. And then you just turn it off. Mine is already turned off, I suppose. Yeah. And then you just switch it off. Apply. Okay, and apply. So basically, that's how you remove compatibility mode. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share.